Hey peeps, this is Suzette from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with an AP Maths question on completing the square. So now when you are completing the square, you want the term with x squared and the term with x together, but you want your constant term out the way. Then you look at the coefficient of x, divide it by 2 and square it, and add it to both sides of your equation. Now, if you have completed the square on the left-hand side, then that is a perfect square trinomial of which that is your factor. So that factorizes x plus a half squared equal to a right-hand side, which we can write as 49 over 4. Then we can square root both sides, not forgetting about our plus or minus. Square root of 49 is 7. Square root of 4 is 2. Take our half to the right-hand side, and that we could split into x equals minus 1 plus 7 over 2, or x equal to minus 1 minus 7 over 2, and x is equal to 6 over 2, which is 3, or x is equal to minus 8 over 2, which is minus 4. So in fact, this original quadratic equation could have factorized into factors with integer solutions. Before I go, I'd like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Till the next time, stay epic.